Hello guys, welcome back to Rains Academy. My name is Vishal. In this video, I'll just show you how to create a lattice deformer on any selected model. FFD lattice in cube shape and cylindrical shape is what very popularly known. But most of the times we get the cubical shape lattice deformer. So lattice deformer is very commonly seen across all the 3D applications. So we have that in Blender as well. So how to create a lattice deformer inside Blender is what we are going to look. So I've got this model here. So the thing is, first you need to create the lattice deformer along with the model. So for that, I'm going to press Shift A and then just choose lattice deformer from the menu, which is basically add and then lattice. So I'm going to scale this lattice using scale tool. Once that is done, I press G and then move that deformer in the Z axis to approximately fit within the box. So once the deformer is placed, I'm going to select the model here and then go to the modifiers, and then in deform, I'll be choosing the lattice deformer. So here, this deformer, where you have to pick the lattice which we have created here. So go to the object and then select the lattice here. Now once the object is selected, you can go to the lattice and increase the resolution of the deformer, which is going to add all the subdivisions required for your deformation. I can press tab and then select all the points and then press G and then move them, and you should be able to see inside the cage of the lattice, the model is deformed smoothly. And here the deformation is smooth, and the reason is the interpolation is set to B-spline, where I can set this to linear, and then the deformation would be very much hard. You could see where the model is ending after the cage. The blend is pretty much sharp. So you can change this to cardinal and Catmull room, which can give you a different type of interpolations between the model. And you should be able to see after the deformation, you could see that round curvature, which is kind of creating the tangency between that two interpolated points. You can also select the outside option where the cage is sort of bounding box, and then you're modifying that from the boundaries of the model. And yeah, that's how you do it. So when we generally deform these models, okay, it is generally for modifying, let's say you want to make a normal looking portrait into a caricature. Maybe you can use these deformers there. It is also used widely in rigging, where you are using this to deform the shape apart from your bones and other type of deformers. You can select this model, and if you move this model here, you should be able to see the model is sort of taking the shape after it's passing through the deformer here, which greatly helps us if we are animating certain things. Not only that, you can select your deformer here and then animate the strength value, where your deformer completely becomes ineffective. And also you can use the keyframe animation for this particular strength attribute. There are certain more levels of handling these deformers. Let's consider those as the advanced topics, where we can actually add the shape keys, or we can assign certain groups like vertex groups and all, and then we can take an extra layer of control over things. But I just wanted to limit this to very simple lattice deformer basics. So I hope you liked it. If you got any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and you can connect with me in my social media handles as well. Thank you very much.